Buildium Bank Reconciliation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a bank reconciliation in Buildium. Start by logging into your Buildium account and navigating to the Accounting tab. Select Bank Reconciliation under the Banking section and choose the bank account you want to reconcile. Enter the statement date and ending balance from your bank statement. Click Continue to proceed. Buildium will display all transactions for the period. Match each transaction with the bank statement and then mark them as cleared if they match. If transaction is missing, click Add Adjustment and enter the details such as bank fees or interest. Make sure to review the reconciliation summary to verify that the difference is zero. If not, go back and check for unmatched transactions. Once everything is balanced, click Save and Reconcile to finalize the process. You can download a report for record keeping. To review previous reconciliations, return to the Bank Reconciliation section and click View Reconciliations. This will display a list of completed reconciliations along with their details. Regular reconciliations ensure your records are accurate and up-to-date is a crucial practice for maintaining financial transparency and preventing accounting errors. And that's how you complete a Buildium Bank reconciliation.